Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Castle Rock Bank step by step clearly.
Open your budgeting app or spreadsheet. Gather your income information.
List all sources of income, including salary, bonuses, and side gigs. Calculate your total monthly income.
Next, identify your fixed expenses.
List all your fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance.
Add up your fixed expenses to get a total. Now, move on to your variable expenses. List variable expenses like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Estimate each variable expense based on past spending. Add up your variable expenses for the month. Next, create a budget category for savings. Decide how much you want to save each month. Deduct your total expenses from your total income. This will show you how much discretionary income you have left.
If you have surplus income, consider allocating it towards savings or debt repayment.
If you're in the negative, identify areas to cut back. Review each expense category and evaluate your spending habits.
Make adjustments to ensure your expenses don't exceed your income. Once your budget is complete, implement it in your daily life.
Track your expenses weekly to stay on target.
Make sure to regularly review your budget each month. Adjust categories as necessary based on changes in income or expenses.
Utilize tools offered by Castle Rock Bank to automate tracking. Stay disciplined and hold yourself accountable. Use your budget as a guide to achieve financial goals.
Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.